shift, move one handle over here and move one handle over here like this, and select these two layers and hit Ctrl D. Select both the layers and press P. Create one keyframe each. Go somewhere around 4 seconds. Select this first one. Let's move this over here. Select this layer and let's move this over here. Okay, and select these two layers and hit F9. Okay, like this. Or instead of that, what you can do, if you want to be specific, let's delete this just for now. Let's go to around 4 seconds, and as you guys can see, the position of this one is 960. All you can do, simply go over here and type plus 300, or let's hit control Z over here. Select this one, add plus 200, and over here let's add minus 200, so they are going to be properly at the distance. Then after that, I'm going to select my rectangle tool, and this time I want fill. I don't want any stroke, so I'll delete the stroke, and I'm going to create rectangle somewhere around like this, like edge of them should touch this line. Select this layer, let's go over here and move this layer over here. Press S, unlink this and create one keyframe over here. Go over here, create another keyframe, go to the start, and let's make this 0. So if you see, he is moving from here. Select those keyframes and hit F9. So now if you see, we'll get something like this. Then go to the graph editor, select this graph. By holding shift, move one handle over here and move one handle over here. We are getting something like this. Now this topmost layer is gonna act like a mask, so select this and let's type mask over here like this, and select this yellow color layers and press Ctrl Shift C, and let's call it as extra and hit OK. Bring them at the top, press F4 and choose alpha mask like this, and select both the layers and bring this downwards after the shape layers. So if you see this stuff now, I'll get this and then I'll get this. Now select all of them, press Ctrl Shift C, and we will call it as text. Now select this and go inside this, right click, new, and create one adjustment layer. Go to the effect and presets panel, and we are going to type transform effect on it like this. And if you increase this Q value to, let's say, -8 or something, you will get this kind of structure. So if you see this now, get this and then this. Okay, then you can select this, hit Ctrl D, press S, unlink this, and let's make this -100. Press P just to create a reflection of it like this, and then press Ctrl N to create another composition, and let's call it as fractal. Press Ctrl Y to create one solid background. Go to the effect and presets panel and search for fractal noise effect and double click to apply. Increase the contrast and increase the or decrease the brightness. Go to the main animation, hit Ctrl 0, bring this fractal over here, and let's hide this. Select this topmost layer, go to the effect and presets panel and search for compound blur effect on it. Double click to apply and choose this fractal layer, so you will get something like this, but it looks weird over here. So to get rid of that, let's say bring this layer a little bit upward, and some changes we need to do in fractal. What we are going to do, we will go to the transform, unlink this, let's increase the width and decrease the height somewhere around like this, so you will get different results over here. Okay, then right click, new, and create one adjustment layer over here. You can go to the effect and presets panel and you can search for tint effect over here and double click to apply. If you swap this color, you will get weird stuff. So instead of swapping over here, instead of white, you can choose whatever color you want. Like you can, if you want purple color, you can choose that. If you want bluish color, you can choose also that. So it's totally up to you that what kind of color you want over here. Right now I'm gonna stick with this, or let's say bluish color or something like that, whatever suits you. I'm gonna pick up this kind of greenish color, which looks like a neon stuff. over here. Yep. Then right click new and create one null object. Select all of these layers, make it apparent with this null. Select this null, press P, alt click on the stopwatch and type wiggle 3, 3. So what will happen along with this animation, you will get some wiggle effect over there also. Select this adjustment layer, go to the effect and presets panel and apply glow effect on it. So we will get glow. Increase the threshold up to 90 and glow radius up to 100 and glow intensity 0.5. Okay, like this. So you can see easily the difference you will get after the glowing effect applied on this. Okay, so this is how you can create this kind of title animations for your animation. And one extra stuff that you can do after this animation is create a little bit of zoom in effect. You can select this. For example, after animating this, you can select this null object, press S, create one keyframe, go few frame forward, and let's increase the size of it a little bit. Select those keyframes, hit F9, go to the graph editor, select this graph, hold shift, move this handle over here and this handle over here. So what will happen, it will create a little bit of zooming effect on it like this to your animation. So this is how you can create our title animation.